We are going to learn chapter 3 of class 9, atoms and molecules. Atoms and molecules are a very important and basic concept in chemistry. So before you start learning chemistry, you should be thorough with the concept of atoms and molecules. Now let us see what is an atom. We can see different types of things in our surroundings like pen, paper, table, chair, book, etc. All these can be called as matter. So what is matter? Anything that has a mass and a volume can be called as matter. So anything that has a mass or weight, and if it has a volume, it can be called as matter. So matter will be either in the solid form or liquid form or in the gaseous form. So anything which is a solid, liquid or gas can be called as matter. Now, what is this matter made up of? Now let us take a piece of a pencil lead or a piece of iron nail and then break into small pieces. Then take one piece and again break into small pieces. Then again take the piece and then again break into small pieces. So if you go on dividing these particles, at last you will get a very small particle which cannot be divided further. This smallest particle with which the matter is made up of is called an atom. So atom is the smallest particle of matter, or it is the smallest unit of matter. So all matter is made up of very tiny, very minute particles called the atom. Let us see the structure. So this is a structure made of large number of blocks. So what is its basic unit? We can say a single block is the basic unit of this structure. So this block can be taken as a basic unit because it is made up of a large number of such blocks. Let us see this structure. What is its basic unit? Can we take a single red block as a basic unit? No, because if we take all the red blocks together, we won't get this structure. So we can take a combination of 3 blocks as the basic unit. These 3 blocks, a combination of 3 blocks can be taken as a basic unit. Okay. So some substances may contain only one type of atom. We can call one block as one atom. So some substances may contain only one type of atom. Such substances are called elements. So what are elements? The substance which contain only one type of an atom. So these substances or this structure we can call as element because it contains only one type of atom. So examples of elements are iron. Iron is an element which contains only iron atoms. Another example we can take as hydrogen. Hydrogen is an element which contains only hydrogen atoms. So copper is an element which contains only copper atoms. Another examples are silver, sodium, gold, etc. can be aluminum, etc. can be called as elements. So what are elements? Elements are the substances which contain only one type of atom. Now see this substance. So its basic unit contain more than one atom. So such basic unit is called a molecule. Molecule means it is a combination of 2 or more atoms. A combination of 2 or more atoms is called a molecule. And the substance is called a compound. So what is the basic unit of a compound? Basic unit of a compound is a molecule. A molecule contains 2 or more atoms. Now let us see examples for compounds. So examples for compounds are water. Water is a compound. What is its chemical formula? H2O. So water is a compound that contains a large number of water molecules. So it contains, the compounds contains a large number of molecules, large number of similar molecules. Next example is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a compound and it contains a large number of carbon dioxide molecules. And all the carbon dioxide molecules are similar. Similarly, HCl, hydrochloric acid, it's a compound. It contains a large number of HCl molecules. So all these are examples of compounds. In some molecules may contain similar atoms. For example, hydrogen gas, oxygen gas, nitrogen gas, etc. So for all these, its basic unit is a hydrogen molecule. So it contains a large number of, in hydrogen gas, its molecule contains hydrogen molecule. So it contains 2 hydrogen atoms, similar atoms. So Examples of compounds are water, carbon dioxide, HCl, etc. We can take hydrogen. Water is a compound, so it contains a large number of water molecules. So it contains a large number of water molecules. So in a single water molecules, 2 hydrogen atom, H2O, and 1 oxygen atom is there. So similarly, carbon dioxide is an example of a compound. It contains a large number of carbon dioxide molecule. It contains a large number of carbon dioxide molecule. So in each carbon dioxide molecule, there is 1 carbon atom and 2 oxygen atom. Similarly, HCl is a compound and it has a large number of HCl molecule. And in each HCl molecule, there is 1 hydrogen atom and 1 chlorine atom. So some molecules may contain same type of atom. This molecule is called a molecule of an element. This is called a molecule of an element. That is, if the molecule contains same type of atom, like H2 molecule, O2 molecule, N2 molecule, etc. It contains H2 molecule contains 2 hydrogen H atoms. Oxygen molecule contains 2 oxygen atoms. Nitrogen molecule contains 2 nitrogen atoms. So all these molecules can be called a molecule of an element. So similarly, in this case, this molecule contains different atoms. So this can be called a molecule of a compound. This can be called a molecule of a compound. So molecule of an element contains similar atoms. So we have studied what is an atom, what is a molecule, what is an element, and what is a compound. So what is an atom? Atom is the smallest unit of matter, which cannot be divided further. So what is a molecule? A combination of 2 or more atoms is called a molecule. The atoms may be similar or different. If the atoms are similar, the molecule is called the molecule of an element. Example, hydrogen molecule, nitrogen molecule, oxygen molecule, etc. If the molecules contain different types of atom, it is called a molecule of a compound. For example, water molecule, carbon dioxide molecule, etc. Here, the molecule contains 2 different types of atoms. For example, in the water molecule, it contains hydrogen atom as well as oxygen atom. So what is an element? A substance made up of only 1 type of an atom is called an element. Example, hydrogen, copper, aluminum, etc. All these contain only 1 type of atom. So what is a compound? A compound is a substance that is made up of more than 1 type of atom. Example, carbon dioxide, water, etc. So hope you have understood well. Thank you.